term life insurance that offers policies for any budget. Let's do an estimate for you.
Do we have time?
You just answer 4 simple questions to get an instant quote.
These are easy questions.
And there's the instant quote.
Seriously? That was really fast.
I know, right? And the online application only takes about 10 minutes. No pushing agents. And in most cases, no medical exams. It's perfect for us.
Can we apply right now?
Why not? And after dinner, maybe we can celebrate.
You know what? Ethos is perfect for us. Ethos is ethical term life insurance. Straightforward and super fast. Don't put it off. Go to ethoslife.com for a free instant quote now. ethoslife.com. That's ethoslife.com.
LifeShield, an ADT company. Offer requires a $300 minimum retail purchase. New customers only. After 30-day trial, plan will auto-renew at a monthly rate plus tax. For trademark and licensing, go to lifeshield.com. ADT LifeShield. All rights reserved. Feeling safe in your own home shouldn't cost a bundle. And it shouldn't lock you in for what feels like a lifetime. While other DIY systems cost up to $50 per month and tie you into a 3-year contract, LifeShield has a better way. With LifeShield's smart home security, you can have total peace of mind for as little as $19.99 a month with no long-term contracts. And with our free app, you can arm and disarm your system from anywhere. Get video clips when your camera detects motion, and see when a door or window is open or closed. With LifeShield, setup is simple. Just plug your system in, place your sensors where you want, and start protecting the ones you love. LifeShield works with Alexa and Google Home, so you can arm and disarm with the sound of your voice. Act now and get 40% off retail prices and receive a free security touchpad. Visit lifeshield.com and use promo code RADIO for a free 30-day trial. That's lifeshield.com code RADIO. It's lifeshield.com code RADIO.
This is SiriusXM Radio.
Weekdays on CNN. We're getting more and more information. Join Paul Blitzer in the Situation Room.
Still relatively early in the investigation.
The command center for reports from around the world. The Situation Room with Blitzer. Weekdays at 5 on CNN, SiriusXM 116.
This morning, President Trump is pushing back on a story in the New York Times that Deutsche Bank anti-money laundering specialists had their eyes on and, in fact, reported on the Trump organization, specifically Trump himself and Jared Kushner.
The report says the concerns were raised about transactions by the Trump org controlled by the president and son-in-law Jared Kushner. Those transactions were, according to the Times, recommended to be reported to the U.S. agency that investigates potential financial crimes, but that they were actually never filed to that agency. It's complex but important. No one better than our Christina Leshy to break it down. I told you it took me a long time to get through this piece, but it's really, really important. What are we talking about here?
Well, at essence, what it comes down to is a number of Deutsche Bank employees in the anti-financial crimes unit flagged these transactions, and what seemed to have gone through the proper protocol